Okay, you're done with surgeries.
No, you have my video.
And your blood pressure is pretty normal. It's coming back up.
100,000 over 60.
No, it was... Oh, I just put my finger there.
Why does it say 0 on my vitals?
I want to show your foot.
Oh.
I haven't even touched it. There's his footsie with a nice pack. Doctor said they took a big chunk out of him. I'm sure we'll see more of that later. How do you feel, baby?
Huh?
How do you feel? And there's his Sprite and the crackers for his nausea.
You just gave him that Percocet.
Yeah. Okay.
They just took out my medulla oblongata. I don't have really like a...
You don't even have one of those.
Neurologist or anything, but I think that probably not
Oh.
because I'll be...
Okay, bye-bye.